Hello, I'm Mr. Laws, I'm head teacher, and welcome to the sixth form virtual open evening. I'm here to explain the process of applying to the sixth form and a little bit about the sixth form we have at the school. So first of all, I'm going to talk to you about the courses we run at the school. We have an A-level set of courses where you're going to need at least 6 9 to 4 grades to get onto those courses and at least a 4 in English and Maths. You're likely to need at least a 5 in the subject that you want to study and a 5 in English language. We also have Level 3 Technical Awards, where you're going to need 6 9 to 4 grades, including a 4 in both English and Maths. And we have a GCSE Level 2 Resit offer, where you will need at least 5 Grade 3s to get onto that course, with a 3 in English and Maths. And the courses we offer there are English, Maths, Double Science and Business Studies. For those that want to study A-level, we do a 2-year linear A-level course. We do not offer the AS level at Valentine's. A-levels have been made a lot more difficult, and therefore doing 4 A-levels is not the norm. Most students will actually apply and do 3 A-levels at the school. Students do their 3 A-levels in the subjects that they choose, and when you pick those subjects we have option columns that you look at, and you need to make sure you choose one from each of the different option columns with a maximum of 3 subjects, unless you're a student that's going to get 8s or 9s where you may wish to choose 4. Don't pick 3 subjects from the same column because they will be taught at the same time. It's one from each of the different columns. So, why would you want to pick Valentine's as your sixth form? Well, obviously as the head teacher I'm going to tell you it's a brilliant sixth form and you need to study here, but all head teachers are going to tell you that. So let's have a look at a few facts and some details about the sixth form. Our results are outstanding, and I'll come on to that a little bit later. Both attainment and progress are really first class. We have a dedicated sixth form leadership team, including an assistant head teacher, a head of year 12, a head of year 13, specific tutors, a UCAS coordinator and a high flyer coordinator, which means that the sixth form have a lot of people making sure everyone has a very good experience at Valentine's. You get an individual mentor to help you through your university application, and you get support with that procedure, with at least 90% of our students going on to universities, including Oxford and Cambridge, and the other 10% will go on to apprenticeships or the world of work. At Valentine's, there are many leadership opportunities, from head boy, head girl, the student leadership team, student parliament, and the house system, where you'll get an opportunity to help and run lots of different activities, which looks really good on your application for either the world of work or for university. At Valentine's, our classes are smaller than average, so the teachers who will take you for each subject will get to know you a little bit better and will help you push you a little bit further once they know who you are. Our enrichment programme is fantastic and really supports students getting the very best they can. It includes work experience, EPQ, and it will also include extracurricular activities. And the high flyer programme we have, which are for those that are really looking to go for Oxford, Cambridge or the Russell Group universities, we include the Brilliant Club, which has a PhD mentor, visits to Villiers Park, mock interviews, mentoring, and real massive support with that early entry that you need to get into those top universities. We are a teaching school, and as a teaching school, one of the things we help and support other schools with are their A-level outcomes and their A-level results and their sixth form. And there's a reason behind that support. The reason we've been asked to support other schools with their sixth forms is we know what we're doing, and that is shown out in the examination grades we got. In 2020, obviously we had the best ever results that we've ever had as a school, but all schools will tell you that because they were based on predictions, they weren't actually examinations. If we go back to 2019, you'll see that our cohort of students got 82% A to C grades, 23% A star to A, on our ALPS grade, which is a value of how good we are, our value added, which measures what grades our students should have got compared to what they did get, gives us an ALP grade 2, which is right at the top. It goes from 1 to 9, so you can only get 1 and 2 of the best grades, and that means we're one of the best providers locally. And I'd encourage you to have a look at the other schools you're looking at, what their ALPS grades are, because that's a real true comparison of how well the students have done at the school. Remember, this 82% and this 23% figure comes from a school that doesn't insist on just 7 and 8 to get onto the A-level courses. We will take you, as I've said, with 6 9 to 4s, as long as you've got a grade 5, mainly in English. I hope you have a lovely tour around the school when you get to visit, and that the virtual open evening helps you in making your mind up and helping you choose Valentine's High School.